Okay, so this Sparkle kit, Flush'n Sparkle kit, we're gonna install it in this toilet, see what the deal is. Of course, I need to remove that very carefully. Being porcelain, you don't want to screw that up. So this should be quite simple. This is the inflow. So basically what we need to do is this hose, we need to put that hose there, so about there should be okay. It has this convenient clip here. You can hook it on the side there. Maybe we can put it like so, and then this hose goes into that overflow there, and then this hose has this clip here. You need to make sure that this end of the hose goes into this other overflow pipe here. So you can either use this adapter or simply use the clip. Remember that the opening has to go into the overflow. About like so. Then it comes here with a little cartridge, and I suppose that scissors, but we'll probably be able to tear it. And that's my son's, this is the fear of God grip. So it has this little cartridge, which I suppose has some chlorine tablet or chlorine something in there, and then you just put it in there like so, and then you flush away. And as it fills, some water is going to go through here, and then it's going to flow in through here, go through the cartridge, and then the water with the chemical is going to come out this end and go into the tank, into the toilet bowl as the tank is being filled. Okay, and that's all there's to it. And I'll give you results as to its effectiveness in future video and future comments. And of course, as usual, thank you for watching, and give a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye.